Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips for your everyday needs. Today, we're diving into the topic: how can I send money from Canada to Lebanon in 2025? Whether you're supporting family, investing, or handling personal finances, sending money across borders can feel tricky, but don't worry. I've got you covered with simple, step-by-step advice. First off, let's talk options. In 2025, the most reliable methods include online remittance services like Wise or Western Union, traditional bank transfers, and even emerging digital solutions like blockchain-based apps. These platforms have evolved to make cross-border payments faster and cheaper. For instance, with Wise, you can transfer money at the mid-market exchange rate, which means you avoid those sneaky bank fees. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Choose your method based on speed and cost. If you need it quick, apps like Remitly might deliver in minutes, while banks could take a few days. Step 2. Verify your identity. Most services require ID and proof of address for security reasons, especially with updated 2025 regulations aimed at preventing fraud. Step 3. Input the recipient's details in Lebanon, including their bank account or mobile wallet. And Step 4. Confirm the transaction after reviewing exchange rates and fees. Now, a few key considerations for 2025. Exchange rates fluctuate, so use tools like Google Finance to check current rates before sending. Watch out for fees. They can add up, so compare providers. Security is huge. Always use two-factor authentication and reputable services to protect your money. Also, if you're sending larger amounts, look into tax implications or limits set by Canadian or Lebanese authorities. In summary, sending money from Canada to Lebanon in 2025 is easier than ever with the right tools. Just stay informed, double-check everything, and you're good to go. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.